This is number 13 in lesson 5-6, where we're asked to evaluate this expression. And so we want to remember that what we learned in class is that the denominator of the rational exponent is always the root. So this is asking us to take the square root of the number 4, and then the numerator of the rational exponent is always the exponent. So that means we can either take the square root of 4 cubed, or easier yet, we can take the square root of 4 and then cube that answer. Well, when we take the square root of 4, we get 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. When we cube that, we get 8 because 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8.